Now the question is, why even take a course like this? Because it's not your conventional course. This is more of a research-oriented course. Number one, to get the best letter of recommendation possible. It doesn't matter whether you're going to law school, graduate school, an internship, etc. By actually assisting the professor in research and learning about research in a smaller class, you can get such a better letter of recommendation. I mean, my junior fellows, that's another avenue to help and to participate in research, get very good letters of recommendation because you get to know them better. They're editing your work, they're doing research, etc., and they get a grade. So you get credit and you get a better letter of recommendation. Moreover, what's interesting about taking a class like this, you will learn to be more analytical and you will learn about big data, right? Statistics, large N research, and in this case, applied to national security, but we'll also be throwing in some law and big data and how it's important, just in case some of you out there want to go to law school, right? So we'll be definitely increasing our analytical and research skills that can be applied to a broad spectrum of areas. Moreover, it's free. The course itself isn't free. Of course, we know tuition, but RR Studio, which you'll be downloading on your computer, is completely free. It's open source, and all the packages and all the algorithms and all the data sets, etc., are actually free. And we will be learning, in a way, what not only practitioners do, but this is even more advanced, in my opinion, because anyone can make an argument, but we'll be testing those arguments as we will in such areas as terrorism, guerrilla war, which culminates into the end of this class, which will be using a large N data set from Colombia and testing a certain theory. But we're going to do even much more than that. This kind of eases you into the research and large N data. And this is extremely topical to end with. This is very, very important. Everyone talks about, artificial intelligence, big data, etc. This is where it's at. I mean, using RR Studio, and then you can pipe in Python if you want, etc., is, the avant-garde of artificial intelligence. It's basically, we're going to be using different data sets, running regression and other models, and then applying it to national security issues. And as I said before, some legal issues as well, because a lot of people might want to go to law school, but this particularly is national security and research with RR Studio. So in a way, I know it'll be presumptuous. If you're able to, keep up and do all the work, there is work, but you'll definitely get an A if you do it, right? This isn't like one of those courses with exams and quizzes and we're always on you. You're going to just have to keep up with just doing the research, right? And this, in my opinion, is more advanced than what some national security, CIA, Department of State experts are actually doing, because you're going to end up after this course with a much deeper understanding of using big data and large N studies to address national security concerns. So I hope you see the value of this class. Even if you're not going to be a big PhD and do research, it is applicable to a broad range of areas, including, as we'll see, our own lives. So take care, everyone, and I hope you enjoy the course.